student. But
Right.
one thing I want to share with you, that before the 10 days only, we have started in our school a WhatsApp group. And on WhatsApp group, we were sending the videos. Because when one day Janta curfew was declared, after that only we have started to create a WhatsApp group, and my every teacher was sending the video on that. So mentally we were prepared that this way in future we have to go. But this was the initial challenge which we have done or we have overcome with hard work and with initiative. But afterwards, as and when lockdown has announced for the month, it was really a challengeful, because in that time we were not able to come to school also, and teacher has to send the video from their house. So many teachers were there, they are able to send the videos, but with the help of other teachers, and they were suddenly that help has cut, and when it cuts, they have to learn by themselves. So first of all they learn. Second thing, the internet problem was there, because in a one day they have to send 2-3 videos. So two problems they were facing: one, network problem, and second, so many MB data was going, so how to control it. And therefore my every teacher has established the Wi-Fi in their home, and this was the technical problem. But another thing was how to give the proper content from the video, in which they have to deliver the content, and they have to deliver in such a way that student can understand easily. And so they have prepared their lesson plan, which way they have never prepared, and they have prepared a pen, paper, and they have learned how to show it with the backup video or backside video, that all of you can understand technically. And it takes a long time.
Absolutely,
because it is a mentally it was very disturbance for them, because they have to stay at home, they have to take care of their home, and then also they have to learn this new technique or a new era of technology. And in between we have started the workshop for the teacher on Zoom and Google Meet, so they have to learn that also. And therefore my teacher has faced this thing, but teacher has overcome. But the most important challenges, and which was PT for me, and that was the challenges which my student has faced, they were not able to keep up or cope up with the video teaching. They were not able to habitual with the online teaching, and therefore in the first 10 days whatever we are sending, the parents, the students, all are not able to understand how to write it and how to make it as a concrete learning. But after that we talk to them and they understand. But the most important and very crucial stage come when June has started, because in June the new year has declared. So 4th standard student has entered in 5th standard, 9th standard student enter in 10th standard. That time they have to make a new note. If I speak very specifically, how to make a note, how to start a new book, that was the mentally lots of stress for them. And for them we have done a series of Zoom meeting, and due to that we are able to convince the 85% parents, and now we are little bit settled down.
No, that's good to hear. That's because ये जो situation इस time पे चल रही है, it is nothing but the people have started calling it the new normal. Ultimately, the social distancing thing and everything will be followed forever as of now, what we are getting from the news channels and from WHO. but yet the students and the K-12 community is very well accepting it. And I would like to mention here that you as a principal and the people out there, the educationists, the teachers, the principals, and the students are nothing but a warrior of this pandemic situation, sir. I really thank you for that. So
Thank you,
other
ma'am. Thank you.
question, I like to know that do you have what will be the plans when the school reopens? So, like social distancing, wearing a mask, using sanitizer. What are your plans in mind that you'll be following once the school reopens?
As you have mentioned, it is a basic, and as you have heard so many times, SMS is necessary, sanitize, mask, and social distancing. Of course, it will be the basic thing when school will reopen. Everybody, from teacher to watchman to peon and student, has to follow it. But with that, we need to teach them that first of all, I want to divide the planning in three department. First of all, psychological department. When student will come, some student will come with lot of energy. They want to do something extraordinary in school because they have not got chance to do at home, because from so many days, so many months, they are locked in home. So they want to throw the energy in school, and therefore how to handle them. Same way, some students will come to meet the first to their friends because they were missing them, and some students will come to school to meet the teachers, and some students are missing the school recess, some students are missing their school activities. So
Yes.
psychologically first of all we have to adjust them. And for that, whenever they comes with social distancing class wise and social, maintaining the social distancing, we have to start their counseling. Whatever they have done, whatever they have faced, it was the part of their life, and in that part of life, whatever they have faced, now they have to overcome. And how they will overcome? Through video, through some motivational speech, and by some game, and by the talking with them. If I tell them, not counseling, talking with them openly every day, at least 2 first period, they will adjust themselves. So psychologically, the first of all we have to address them. Second thing, as you mentioned about the hygienic point of view, or health point of view, or sanitization point of view, corona point of view, in that, yes, of course we have to cut off the recess, because in that social distancing will be the big question mark.
Right, so absolutely correct.
Another thing, we need to perform the morning assembly or daily assembly in classroom only. We cannot gather them in a hall.
Right.
And even we need to cut off their best part, their school life's best part, that is the playing. Because if we send them for a physical education period on ground, of course we are not able to maintain the social distance. But to cut off all these things, we need to create this atmosphere inside the classroom. And for that, assembly should be performed perfectly in the classroom only. Their playing part should be conducted in such a way, some activities should be conducted in classroom only. They feel, yes, today we get the refreshment by the physically also and mentally also. For them, role play will be the best method to perform it.
Right,
After
sir.
that, the third part we need to address is their academic. That is the most important part, because this time we all know, yes, all are trying. Just now you also mentioned that every teacher has performed as a warrior, but it is not absolutely perfectly going on. And when students are not habitual for that thing, so when they come, at least first 10 days or at least for 20 period, we need to revise whatever we have taught there, because their way only they will directly connect with the next content. And if we perform these three things, I think we will be able to cope up with that. So we need to make their psychological point of view, physical point of view, means hygienic point of view, and their academic point of view planning. And that will be the micro to macro level planning we need to confirm. Then only we will be able to face dear students. Not only face, we can able to address properly after the COVID-19.
Right, sir. I totally agree with you. This controlling the students post pandemic in recess and everything, because these are the points where students perform mischief and the ones, the golden memories of the school, obviously. Yet this situation has put us in such a condition that we cannot ignore. But the health, keeping ourselves safe should be our top priority. Right, sir. Thank you so much. On behalf of K12 News, I would like to thank you for your giving contributing in this K12 2020 talks. This is India's first e-interview series, and sharing your point of views and your experience that you and your school have been facing. We as I have mentioned earlier as well, that you are one of the warriors of this K12 community who has been fighting the pandemic. And sir, I wish that everything is safe and sound. You stay healthy and your loved ones as well.